Suminagashi is the mindful, centuries-old Japanese technique of floating ink on water to create mesmerising patterns. I want this to be finer lines, so I'm not making the black circles too big, and I'm holding the soapy water in the circles for longer. But Suminagashi will do what Suminagashi wants. So who knows? Just kissing the surface with the brush. And the rest is in the Suminagashi God. Let's do some gentle manipulation by blowing. And you can waft, and that makes the lines more jagged. Should you wish to get a hair, and you can pull lines through. Something over here, but I don't know what the effect will be, so I'll go careful. This to be too heavy compared to the rest of it. Of course, you do something in one area and it will absolutely impact the others. When you're happy, get your paper into a U shape and then drop it down. Give it a couple of seconds and then carefully pick it up. And here it is dry. Which is your favourite mark?